people them where they don't die inside this country people them, especially big people them. Inside this month where the number 4 month country people them start set for number 3 month for March. The show say it like say 2021 it go sweep plenty. Louis Roger Nouadje when a journalist died for Bakusa this morning time. Yes, Honorable Lifaka Monjowa Emilia died for Beya yesterday for night. Even fish, big fish, it don't come out inside water for limit. So they struggle now for both our day for any man take his own for this Palava country people then. We go talk about a Kerengbe the way they don't work for place with the column. See this Bamenda so they catch some motor with the BT farm. Cardinal to me bye happened yesterday with the condor. Then we go open to plenty to for this picking the way they Pendamboko country people them. And they do how that means they walk 80 kilometers with the foot for that side day for Karish Pendamboko as soon as they talk about this matter them. Now they will try to go school now they want me to help them for this level so country people them. Bamba Claris send me report for Bayade, we will talk about them. Then police installation for a place with the column see this one this Limbe, back for Boya for Munya Day now. The upper Munya people they happy say so their people when a barrister don't join for develop the place country people they will talk about plenty thing them and gone with the holla for that side from Jamina. I turn a big salute this one country news for my media prime television with me Masatok Eze Ekulikwase Turidi. You must to look out your towel fine for Sika say the side way he wipe your shit hole yesterday, he go wipe your face tomorrow. You must to look out your towel fine for Sika say the side way he wipe your shit hole yesterday, he go wipe your face tomorrow. Thank you plenty, the white man of Ekondo Titi, when a big Oga for Yaounde Oga, governor for Yaounde Day, Central Region, Nasiri Paul Beya. Make unak tori as we dey with big glad for service on a day with we country people then. We start with the one for fish. I say don't come out na for limbe today. Oh man, the go na bota waf. I say bota waf unasia. I say oh boy they do all thing for drag the fish come out and for water. Now fish, big fish as we talk about them. Other one call and say whale. Other one call and say shark. Then a big size for fish. If you don't first come out so, now about 5 years today, we Dima state, Tonton state, go snap for limbe day, come with them. Another one don't come out again. Now this, we put a struggle to see how they go track and come out and like that now. Let people them kill the share. Ekelembe they come there, yes, Shanam and army there, they come there for try to put order. For say even if now for divide them, we go try to make authority come from chief palace for that side. It used to come out for Bakingili, come out between Bota, Wafde and Bakingili. Either way, they wash them so contribute. Fishermen they tonton for do and for so a wolf don't fall. As Nadia say, a wolf don't fall means say Christmas don't fall for April moon for that matter so contribute. Make we take now enter for chapter for Kradai. Honorable Emilia Lifaka Munjowa for Beya. He died yesterday night. This. Honorable Emilia Lifaka Munjowa, CPTM parliamentarian for Bayade. Yesterday, he say he fall sick. He collapsed. They want to go with him for hospital. He died inside motor. ABB, vice president for National Assembly, president for Commission for Commonwealth for National Assembly Day. And a woman way, he be strong for politics for CPTM for that side day for Beya country people them. For that he cry, he be bad. Cry start for big compound yesterday, so take the way they go bury. Next month put volume yes more. for Gbeya Hospital, so we hear people they cry and they go plus put it die body for mortuary country people them. Like the one where they be moving from mortuary for Douala, they bury him yesterday na Christian Cardinal Tumi or Sufai Christian Cardinal Tumi make us see as yesterday. Sufai Christian Cardinal Tumi because he don't last go take a title where they don't give sins, but a church work we make and way you know we fit go take him. Now anyway, it be enough for here. Minister they become, Prime Minister become, Chairman John Fundi become, Prime Minister last put in Kondo when Kunkuma Sena make can put on for ye as Grand Commander of the National Order of Valor for this whole country. People then preach, yes, Cardinal then preach, Archbishop then talk, plenty, they support, they say, how we don't die, for put for your honor, may they try, hey, Atango, you read Bible, now wow. Several people then try to they do how contribute them, they try to stay them, respect it way it be fight and for the last 4 years for your life. That means now wait now for do this way they call and say now for make peace come for Northwest and Southwest with it and make the whole genuine dialogue, better dialogue with it so it make an last very country people then. We take una go Bamenda for talk suwiti said this matter now. See Charles Kebua we now talk man for the instant story for we say Ekerengbe they don't go for other side for man side country people in Bamenda too. They come the place to te make kale then they catch some motor they define them scenes. Motor when a mukusa woman drive and go for some way keeping the season for you. And a motor he must die. Live and for you. The only legacy for this whole country people them. Charles Kebua, Sauna.
Country news for up this side country now. Yesterday wait for this side for start from Mulang. Go enter for that cowboy side. Go down for Eben the junction. Climb go reach from Zimambe for that backside side from Tanka country people. Ekerebe no green country people yesterday come out for outside because say them they out for do walkway. They don't talk say they want do one for country people for reinstate peace and make anything and come back to normalcy. As they enter for inside big massa for Legion way, Naibi Colonel Bom Bissou Roland, where he and he Ekerebe boy them country people enter for that side country people make search for that side. One go come out discover this big motor, this Land Cruiser country people who wanna see them so where Chakumcha people don't see them for some madam for that place for Saturday. Country people carry this motor go keep them for bush. Here way to way commander for Prupemang for Bamenda country people. He be take talk for we country news microphone.
Which were conducted from Belgium 5. We got information concerning the stolen of the car, this car, and other things in this area, which is very dangerous. So you planned operation and that you don't find the vehicle here.
Now, time way big massa for Jean-Marie Lejeune for up this high country. Colonel Bom Bissou Roland, yes, with the Lamboy, then go down for bush for go see where it they see this motor, carry them country people bring them up for big massa way na the commander the 5th military region where they call it General Nka Valet. They can show this motor for you and then carry the motor country people go with and back for Jean-Marie Lejeune way. The madam when I be get this motor country people, they be hand this motor back for you. For tell you say make it take a motor go back. As the honey motor for ye country people, now big mass away it be in charge for Ekerebe than for up this side country. That country people they are here beg for them say it is so. Make them join hand with Ekerebe people because say this palaver for Chakumcha don't start going a different way where you don't make people where no be even correct Chakumcha people. They don't invade na privacy for people for cause havoc and destruction for inside Bamenda.
Thank you plenty, Charles Kebua. For Bamenda Day, we take talk about this other palaver. When I wait him, they say we go Pendamboko, wait it happen for Pendamboko, Tori where we hear, and all the image to okay time talk so waiting. They be there about 84 small picking them between 8 and 14 years country people them. Waka with the foot for 80 kilometers to reach Kumba before they manage not ton so they enter Pendamboko Day. Then 10 they don't run for the place country people them because hardship scholarship. They want me to help them as they go school. They do all things them for the yes. As they take talk about and one foundation. Yes, LM this Nanje Foundation help them to with country people them when they come out for the village where they come out when are waiting. Now this Bafaka Balwe, yes, Bafaka Balwe for that side for Indian division they contribute make us see the beginning. Pendamboko as na takes yam. Na here we according to Tori way he enter with ear and image them. Now the beginning this way they be time with the first day where they so they struggle now say they want go school. They don't can give them small book them, country people them. Yes, give them small book them, give them to even team for fight this corona virus for the country people them. Then the beginning they say they want go school. And as they talk about them, see this so now this people they call and see this so LM Nanje Foundation now help to give them small things, small matters, pay school fee for the register people the way they get for right advanced level they did 2, ordinary level they did 5, and then first school living certificate with the common entrance they suit 16 country people they as now take CM for years so they give them small help them for they to similar take and now go school country people them the life where they live for day yes the life where they live for day so instead they not easy at all they get for go find firewood then self wash their clothes them shave their head they turn baba make us see country people they make us see they pekin they suffer too much suffer plenty for chop self way no day. For job, wait no day. They go farm, find firewood. Tango say chief for that village, Pendamboko, receive them. They go farm, find firewood, farm town, find thing for cookam. Mommy then they fry them puff for morning time. May they struggle now for chop. It's not easy at all for this Pekin them for Pendamboko site this country people that's not take seriously they happen. Other one then they sweep compound because they even beg the compound and beg and place where they stay for day, beg and beg and small under the day. 13 years, 14 years, we even no look out country people them, Bele go enter one time. We know if you know, man no they know what if it happen amongst them. Other one they wash their clothes, them other one they do it to country people them. They even struggle now for learn book. They struggle, say they try learn. Book safe, they no get time. Pen safe, you know easy for this palaver them country people them. Now people they suffer for this 4 years and a half way war. Chakumcha done the before Northwest and Southwest. So other one them they shave their head them themselves because if you know shave them. You say you go take 200 francs for go pay for barber, make it shave you contribute. So they try to do something they be neat. At the tell una so even place where they sleep una ko lasiam inside this place so you know easy at all. You know easy at all the kind of life place where they beg all thing na beg and so where they want to make peace come back, may they go back for their own place to be for they find. But for now they want go school. Plenty they don't be for almost 5 years they need to go school. You know easy for them at all. When they see their age, see the class where they're supposed to be, una imagine the kind of life they fit the live so for the country people them. So that mommy for the compound to they help them, the papa to help them. Yes, Mula Mukete way, na be with their elite for that side the way, the village choose and say, make na begin the commandia them for the two for see and say, make all thing waka, fine for this so country people them that they can't see whether they broke firewood or go tonton so to enter inside play where they sleep, make una see am look play with girl, you see they sleep side for man picking day, side for girl then day, una see the can way, even thing for cover. No day at all. This small one without red clothes. The sick plenty all time. The sick plenty all time for this whole country people. Them it no easy at all. Where they get for help them for the. Then now the school they don't try to go write their name. Chief for that this Pendamboko village don't go see head teacher them for school. They put them for school. Their chief becomes allowed not true. But where uniform too they need on us. Look inside school. Other one then get uniform. But them, they don't get their own uniform then. Because it's not easy. Who said they go take money for sew uniform, buy material and sew uniform for the country for them. So all them now, they call all them, they hook up the stand so that to make camera, see them, see this one at them, be the people them way, when they need helmet, put the help. This young boy then talk say they don't want enter bush. They don't want enter bush for go hold gun. They want for go school so that when it go come better, then go write this history. The story for the way it take happen for yes so country people. Then way it take happen for here. So they say this so they try for help them for this palaver them so as not take this year so for them. Another one, yes, I'm see, even girls them, I don't tell you, even girls them too, for this so country people them. Another one too, as we take the tell now how we this their chief now come out for Bakakabalwe, he come now, he says Wakase make go see play way, he picking and they with the past 50, they go almost 80 for that side too. Chief go see them too, Nasiam. And achieve that, chief for Bafaka Balui, it to come the with his own land boy them say this they come try for see the picking. Then chief now buy plan them, say they try fix them even small bench, may put on a class, fix them even small bed too for them for sleep for them una city way. Then chief the same say the same hand he cry, say this way you don't help the way your own way, give small book them, give small thing them, register the registration too. Then now make people into the help for they make the picking and try now. Maybe say tomorrow or after tomorrow, then too they don't big way they feel help the country for this. So my own country people then ask me text for this email hold the show a special package today for this speaking the way they walk 80 kilometers with foot from this Bakakabalue go reach for Kumba. They so chief this give them courage and for this so country people them so na say take Siam with all this palaver them how they go do for life for this so Siam and chief that they talk for them they so country people them. We'll come back to again for they who struggle now. Ask some for the person we the commander them now. Mukete Benesa for the Mola. How you think I'm about and what they feel do for help this speaking them countryman. Una yetin way it take talk una ye.
The picking this picking and Bafaka picking them. They come for here because they really need for go school. Schools they need the function because of the crisis for our side. They do work for over 80 kilometers. Find themselves for Kumba. Pay transport come here. I receive them and I inform the administration beginning from our chief. So we want to get small assistance from some people around. We want to get assistance from Bafaka community. We want to get assistance from our chief. We want to get assistance from the LM Niger Foundation where they don't do plenty things for provide us school fees and books and many other things. For CHOP, I did really plead because easy for give it picking them even one meal for one day because the day above 50 where the day here if you look for backside with the fry puff every morning and if you pass 2 days where some man no get fever so medication too a serious problem. Another thing I say you see mattress Ellen Niger Foundation will provide with mattress so most of the picking they sleep now for bed for floor we need to get beds. And then my great cry and I say make the crisis try for end because really easy. If I see this picking then they go back for their environment where they did. If the crisis continue, this picking the way they already embrace education, how we could do for continue for sponsor them? Because some of them the IGC will get 5 candidates, we get 2 candidates for advanced level, we get 16 candidates for common entrance and first school. Some they did from 2, from 3, from 4. With the continuation of the crisis, if crisis continue, how could do for continuous sponsor the picking them? Because there's no need for enter into the streets. Mostly you get girls them and as small young girls them if you really worry. So we need for really look at the back for say make people they see how they feel continue for sponsor them. And I also appeal mostly for the LM Niger Foundation for continue for do their good work for help for assist us at the
Minister for Public Health Malawoda Malashi be visit Southwest region over the weekend. This visit where health boss become for Southwest region so now for launch this COVID-19 vaccination campaign where governor for Cameroon put and say now where this way the fit take and fight the second wave for coronavirus where it the so worry country. The minister time where be reaching Beya, it be first be received by big man for region, Southwest Governor Bernard Okala Bilai. Before now it start on turn now for other hospital them for Southwest region for make sure say the campaign be effective. It first stop be that one for Beya Regional Hospital where all the big doctor the way they be for hospital they be take the COVID-19 vaccine including the big man for the hospital where they call Dr. Mukake. Minister Malashi too it be stopped that so for Limbe Regional Hospital annex and now for that so way Southwest Governor Bernard Okala Bilai the SDO for FACO, and the Southwest Regional Delegate for sick people they hear from Bayer too. Them too they be take this vaccine way now for fight coronavirus. We know say that so plenty people then still without this anti-COVID-19 vaccine. So this big man for sick people then for Southwest Region, when a Southwest Regional Delegate of Public Health, Dr. Ebongo Zaccheaus, don't tell them say, may they know say this vaccine be 80% effective and you no get no wahala. So may plenty people them may they come out, they take the vaccine.
Say make it protect me now. Everybody come for can't take the vaccine just as who don't take it too. More not here wait to go to talk for outside for Bimbo house and so on, say this and so on. May I ask now one question. If that medicine then I drink and for outside for different things and I go buy him for Moya market. When I know side they come out, then the one way government don't bring them. You be sure right on narrative bring Kungu around. No. The only way for bring this sick under control, this corona under control now for take this vaccine. And the only way that because when as I talk, we'll do all tests, we'll do all those things and so they did like how we the lockdown. But they want a key. We put the sick under lock and key. Take the key, put out your pocket. Don't be so, because you have the decision, and that is why the minister come here for council way to.
While they take this vaccine, that's so. This public health delegate don't equally tell them say, may they not forget say that so as they take the vaccine for protect themselves for about 6 months to 1 year, may they know say they get to continue for the maintain barrier measures. They get to continue for the maintain anti-COVID barrier measures like physical distancing, washing of hands constantly, and for them too for the wear their nose masks, and also people the way they never do this corona test, may they make sure say they do the test.
New commissioner for AC and for Limbe 2 Police District, Mekusian. Honore Kuma, where they call him Kumalo. Edoweti is sent with the image. The new Central Police Commissioner for Limbede, he installed all the other small commissioner. I mean small unit commissioner them. Yes, same they do their work. He called them say security must be for Limbe better one as it don't be. He said this so they don't want to hear anything about Chakumcha and make people then respect law and order for this so my country people as not take now. See for that matter we don't put all them for a chair so I will be now mark le pas. And deux for that side then so say this so any man now he take his own position for thing is supposed to be and how it's supposed to happen for this so my own country people. The thing take place now for Limbe the way this so security don't be reinforced. Authority that means the divisional officer for Limbe 1, Limbe 2 and Limbe 3 then be dated to other big people them too for inside town as na taxi where they talk about and we all think waka the way it's supposed for they for that side so my own country people so don't put all the now for chair they give them power. Some of the command and thing they give for happen the way it be for that side so country people them. Make we leave the other one and jump because we're showing for that tomorrow. Jump go for chat for talk how it is so AP done bad for the yesterday not true and now so as it bad so small picking themselves they carry gun contribute them yes they carry gun do it I say the open fire for inside Jamina for front presidency itself una see and say they tell una say any chat man now warrior of right from Bele for imami una city where they happen Desmond put volume.
الله أكبر الله أكبر
This one after we it is David don't die before night contributing. The one we take happen for daytime that very yesterday after we it is the be a don't die so for this matter too. Desmond put volume. Rebel, they shoot. National Academy, they shoot. Country people, them. Yes, some general then too then die with the Marshal this day before day. Now, picking when a general too don't take power now for that side. Although Rebel they say they must enter Jamina, move safe that it begin for them. I want to kuna plenty. We don't reach the one boss. We don't reach boss stop for today. Thank you plenty. Yes, this other person, Ebenezer Mokete, and all the people then for that side. They make people then help that beginning for Pendamboko. Thank you plenty. Yes, this other man Honore Kumalo. Thank you Mbamba Limunga. Thank you Charles Keboa for them. Yes, country people they want to thank una sincerely for saying una don't look with the news now for this matter too. Pangwa chairman Augustine then today for line up country for them. Thank you Desmond Ngwa, we commander and for the technical director supervisor na Michael Kaiser Agbo. Thank you too. Yes, Noel for broadcast for the country people them. Thank you Christian Tebon. Yes, Johnson Vola, thank you too. Ewane Nolinga Eli, thank you. My country people them. Program that they continue after me for my media prime television. If you see my back, my belly, it before. And thank you, Nasiri Paul Biya, for your same story. Bye bye.